Who would have thought, but even YouTube has its amazing features and hidden tricks. I've got 10 incredibly useful hacks, from unique comments to making your experience of using the app even more convenient. Welcome to the Teleblog channel. If you like the life hacks, make sure you watch this video till the end and subscribe to the channel. There are even more secrets about various apps ahead. To be honest, when making this video, I was skeptical because I thought YouTube couldn't offer its users anything fascinating. But believe me, I was wrong. We all know how amazing and convenient is the rewind feature on smartphones in the YouTube app. You just have to tap twice on the right or left side of the video and the video will rewind by 10 seconds or more. You can also customize the length of YouTube's fast skip shortcut in the application settings. All you have to do is tap your profile picture in the upper right corner of the screen, then select Settings followed by General and look for the double tap to seek options. Here you can select the suggested number. I suggest you try a few options and then decide which one works best for you. By the way, if you keep tapping, it will increase by 10 seconds with every extra touch. If you tap with an interval, the video will fast forward by as many seconds as you set, like I mentioned above. I'm sure you've seen a lot of users' comments in bold text or italics. Honestly, I used to think it was only possible for certain users, but it turns out anyone can do this. Here's the special code you need to add around the words. To bold a word, put asterisks around it. For italics, use underscores, and for strike-throughs, put hyphens or dashes around the text. And of course, you can test this all in the comments below the video. Try it out and share, or try it when commenting on the tricks you liked the most when you watch the video till the end. YouTube provides an excellent opportunity to learn new languages through built-in subtitles. First of all, you yourself can add subtitles in different languages, or YouTube can recognize the speech itself. Many users face a situation when they didn't finish reading the whole thing while watching the video, and so they need to rewind the video and read the text on the screen. If you don't want to do this, pause the video and tap on the 3 dots in the top right corner of the screen, and this will open the options menu. Then click on Full Captions Transcript. You will get the full text of the video on the side. By clicking on a certain part of the text, you will jump to this part of the video. Below you can choose the subtitle language if the author of the channel added captions. They will be much better than the subtitles recognized by YouTube itself. If you like creating GIF animations, then this quick manual is just for you. Without downloading any other apps, you can create a GIF from any YouTube video right in your browser. Open the video which you want to create a GIF out of, type GIF before YouTube in the URL and hit enter. You'll be redirected to gifs.com site where you can choose the start time, end time, duration, add another picture, blur it, and so on. We all enjoy sharing our favorite videos with our friends, but what if you need to show a specific moment in the video? The desktop version of YouTube will help you do that. Pause the video where you want the viewer to begin watching it. Right-click within the YouTube video frame. From the right-click menu, select Get Video URL at current time. When you send the link, you'll see there are seconds at the end of the URL. When this URL is clicked, it will forward to the time you specified. It should be noted that this option is not available in the smartphone apps, but if you click the same link on your phone, YouTube will also start video at the time you indicated. By the way, you might have noticed the loop button which plays the video all over again. Tap on it if you want your video to loop. Next, we have 5 more hidden and most useful tricks on YouTube. In the meantime, try out the one I just mentioned and share this video with your friends to let them know of these amazing hacks. Another super useful trick in the desktop version is creating the video queue. Not to be confused with the watch later feature, that's something else. You can select a video that will be played next and add it to the list. Open any video and tap on the mini player icon. You will get a small window and it will redirect you to a page that was opened earlier. Now you can first of all continue using YouTube while watching the video simultaneously and also add some more videos to the queue. To do this, choose the video you want to see next, tap the 3 vertical lines and choose Add to the queue. Below the mini player you will get a playlist where you can add, delete, or change the order of the videos. Mind that if you close this playlist or leave the browser, it won't be saved. With the recent fresh YouTube update for the iOS and Android, Google decided to please their users and added a few hacks. I don't know about you, but I was very annoyed by the fact that to watch the video in full screen mode or exit it if the screen rotation was on, you had to press a little square on the right side of the video. Now it's become much easier and more convenient. Swipe it up and the video will play in full screen, and if you swipe the video down, it will exit the mode. I find it super handy. In the mobile apps, it's now incredibly easy to enable or disable the Autoplay feature. The button is at the top of the interface. By clicking on it, you can enable or disable the autoplay of the next videos. It's also becoming increasingly popular to use timecodes for videos. These are the chapters in the video that highlight a specific question. The author of the channel can add the timecodes and their names, and then it all appears on the timeline. When you tap on it, you can jump to the specific part of the video and see the name, and you can tap on any name and open up the whole chapter with those segments. Thanks to this feature, you can choose what you want to see in the video even faster, as you would agree that it's super annoying trying to find the part you need. And finally, one more bonus trick. If you are using the desktop version, type "awesome" while watching a YouTube video in full screen mode, and fancy flashy colors will appear in the YouTube player. To disable it, stop the video and enter the word "awesome" again. So, how did you like these YouTube hacks and tricks? If you enjoyed the video, let me know with your likes and comments, please. And if you know any other tricks that I didn't mention, share them in the comments too. It's the Teleblog channel, subscribe and be trendy.